Verde Valley is a Thousand Trails Encore Park. It has a manned, gated entrance, and you need a code to get in. Right next to it is another storage area. The first one is down on the hill. This is the main office for Verde Valley RV. They will accept mail here for you. There's a $2 charge. Envelope, package, box, anything, $2 charge. UPS and FedEx also deliver here. There's a little store in there. They call it the trading post. There's really not much. Ice cream, pop, Gatorade, sewer hose, bug spray. That's not much more than that. They don't carry much because the Walmart and the Fry's are 3 miles down the road, less than 10 minutes. There's Wi-Fi up here at the main office too. This is passworded, so if you absolutely have to get onto your financial accounts, it might be better to come up here than to use the family lounge. The family lounge is open, there's no password. This is the extended stay area on the top tier right after the gate. Very nicely maintained. The view is fabulous. Some of the view. There's the family center. The library is in there, a meeting room, a puzzle room, and also the computer room is in there. The signal during the day is not great. It's really slow. I normally am on my own Wi-Fi, my own Verizon, but out here, even that is really slow. Sometimes I can't get on at all. Not during the day. From midnight to about 8, it runs like a champ. For me, that's an issue. I make part of my income on the stock market. I really don't like it. For you, maybe it won't be. Over there is the propane area. Here's the laundry room. The laundry room is closed right now. Apparently they're having some problem with the leach fields, so there is no water. It's anticipated that that could take up to a year to fix. Around to the other side, there are the miniature golf holes. There's a very small kind of playground area. It's just got swings and one little monkey bar kind of thing, climbing thing. The dog park's over here too. It's not bad. In the afternoon there's some nice shade and a bench to sit on, a table. There's the little playground area. The propane area, 11:30 to 12. Let them know you're coming at the office. TV, meeting area, activity area, a couple of pool tables in back there. There used to be a food concession in that space over by the window, but it's gone now. The puzzle area. There are many pull-throughs here. I think most of the sites down in H section are pull-throughs. Some bigger than others. Here's a nice pull-through. It's occupied. It looks like someone went off to the grocery store and left some stuff to let everyone know that it was occupied. They also have several back-end sites. I like 31 over there. It looks private and nice and big. There's a gate out back to a public road, and the fishing path. You'll need a combination to open the lock. Outside this gate and down that trail, there's a path to public fishing down by the river. It gets a little rough in places, so if you're carrying a rod and your fishing tackle, you'd better be steady on your feet. If you turn left out the back gate at the campground, about 10-minute walk away is the Alcantara Vineyard and Winery. They have tastings 7 days a week, 11 to 5, Friday and Saturday tours at 11 o'clock. They are not a full-service restaurant, but they do have snacks, cheese, crackers. Sometimes they have catered events. Either call or go down and get a flyer. If you want the full experience, I am told that there is a company called South by Southwest that will put you in upriver in kayaks, and you can float or paddle down, and you come out at the winery for a wine tasting. The nature trail starts just outside the entrance for Section H. There's a box right there that gives you an idea of what the trail is and all the information on it. The park is about 800 acres, and the trails go through much of it. You can take them up to the office at the top of that hill, or that way for a long way. The dump station is here, deep in the park, between H and the lower level. There's no potable water here. The storage area is right over there. The sites on the lower level are all pull-through, I think. It's sparsely populated up here. I think there are some electrical issues. There's a pool with comfortable seating down on the lower level. There is also a spa on the lower level. Basketball, and what looks like either tennis or badminton, also on the lower level. The lower level has additional pathways down to the river.